Derby, I don't know what you're crying about. Maybe you get her to lay down with you? Huh? You can go outside? You can go outside? What? Peanut's coming and see what's wrong with you. Peanut, what's wrong here? Oh, God, Peanut. Not on top of me. No, I don't want you to lick me. Oh, that's Caesar. Hi, Caesar. Go lay down, Caesar. Go lay down. Go now. You want Caesar to lay with you? You want Caesar to lay with you? Stop it. Stop that barking. Too late to bark. Oh, she barked at you, Durfee. You just... She barked at you, Durfee. Oh. Now what?
What are you doing?
Nothing. She's barking at them.